Alright guys, welcome back to the No Limit Shop. Today is going to be a quick video. I just want to go over I want to go over how I do two-piece Hdf doors cut off the CNC. I'm going to show you the assembly process. I've had a lot of questions on these particular doors, so let's get right into it. Alright, so some of the benefits of two-piece Hdf doors are that, one, you don't have to do all the sanding that you have to do when you do normal one-piece HDF doors from the CNC marks, because these are two separate pieces. You do all the sanding before you assemble, and it eliminates a lot of headache on the sanding side of it. And then also, because it's two pieces, it reduces the amount that it warps when you remove a lot of material from just that one piece. So those are the benefits of doing a two-piece HDF door, and you have a more solid door than having a regular 1/4-inch panel, because this is a 1/2-inch panel. So now let me show you how I assemble these. All right, we have one of my drawer fronts here that's not completely assembled yet. But basically, we got the two parts here like so. We're going to take some glue and do a light amount, a very small bead in the corners. All right, and one thing you want to make sure of is that you don't have too much glue in here, because squeeze out is something you would have to clean up later, which will eliminate the whole idea of you doing less sanding. So we have a little squeeze out there and there, and basically what we do now is get a screw and a towel and basically clean this out. Like so. And now we just flip this over and we got the same thing here. So we got to clean out that squeeze out. So you try not to get this squeeze out, but sometimes it happens. All right, just like that, it's assembled, and now we're going to throw a couple of pin nails in there. All right, so basically what I have inside my pin nailer, this is 23 gauge. These are 1/2-inch long pin nails, and basically there's a 1/4-inch lip here going into a 1/2-inch board. If I come in from the other side, then the pin nail won't reach this part. So we're going through the front, and then these little small holes, we'll fill it with wood filler before we go to paint. And this isn't, you don't have to overkill this depending on the size of your doors. Typically I do 2 or 3 per side. And that's it. So we have a fully assembled two-piece HDF door. All right guys, I know this was a quick and short video, but I hope this helps anybody that has been asking the questions about how do I assemble these and how do they go together and what are the benefits of them. I just showed you how I assemble them, glue, a couple of pin nails, and as far as the benefits, a lot less sanding, because I can sand all of these before I assemble them, and then I don't have to chase sanding marks and grooves from the CNC doing a one-piece door. And then also, with it being a two-piece, the two pieces being glued to each other, it helps keep the doors flat and straight and reduces the amount of warping that you would normally get or have the possibility of getting from a one-piece HDF door. Hope this helps. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content that I'm putting out. If you have more questions, shoot me a message and hopefully I can be able to answer them.